Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We just got about 18 new trailers in today. Wanted to show you guys this one. This is one of our 7x16 Colorado toy haulers. This one is set up to be your multi-purpose trailer where you guys can work, camp, play, and get a lot of use out of this. This is a brand new, again, 7x16 in a blue blackout package, two-tone split. Does have the black diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom. You've got that great V-nose guard for that extra protection as well, and an extended triple tube tongue. This allows the trailers to tow really well with having this set up underneath. And then we do have the side door with the RV locking cam bar plus a gutter, two exterior party lights, so you've got some exterior light, exterior GFI outlet as well. And then we do have the double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar, two 3,500-pound axles, aluminum wheels, black diamond plate fender, and drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear, so you guys can have that extra stability when you want to drop this from your vehicle and get in and out. We also have load lights off the back. That's those great spots that you guys can see right here as well, so you have some exterior light at night. Both of these exterior light setups that you see right here are going to run off of a battery that's on the inside, as well as those puck lights. That's how we have the ability to have all these lights on when we're not hooked up to anything. So normally you need to be hooked up to some type of power source. That battery eliminates that problem for you and makes it much more user-friendly. Rear ramp door does have the spring assist close. Of course, you guys can get your toys in and out of here. 4 D-rings in the floor for tie-down points. And then this has the performance Nudo floor in here with dry maxx. This is one of the most durable floors we can stick in a trailer, which is why we use it. It's set up to take some abuse and last. And then we also have insulated walls and ceiling in here with a beautiful white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, so it's easy to take care of, keep clean, and it reflects the light really nice. Two 18x44 slider windows with screens, plus you've got a maxx air roof vent there. Does not have power fan. It does have the bubble cover over it, so it won't leak water in if you guys forget to close that. This is a tinted lockable window as well, so you guys have some good use there. And then we do have 30 amp service in here, so you've got this nice big long cord. You can take that, pop it right through the floor, run it into an extension cord or a generator, and that will bring power into the trailer, in turn powering up your outlets. It's going to run your two 4-foot LED lights that you have here across the ceiling. It's also going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, so you guys do have the ability to heat and cool this unit as well. This is a slimline, low-profile Mach 8 unit, so it doesn't stick up as tall. They're a little bit more efficient. We like them a lot. They look a whole lot cleaner. Here's your battery with your battery box and a battery charger. And again, that's awesome because it's running all these interior and exterior lights that you guys see. You do have 4 of these puck lights on the interior. And then of course you've got wall switches right here to control everything. And it looks like 4 interior outlets, 1 exterior GFI outlet on this unit, 3-year factory warranty. This trailer only weighs 2,000 pounds and it gives you a 5,000 pound payload capacity. So again, set up to be that Colorado toy hauler for you guys where you can get a lot of use and function out of your trailer. So give us a call. We would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. You can view all of our inventory online as well as purchase any of our units online. We like to make purchasing trailers easy. It's not rocket science, and these videos hopefully will allow you guys to actually see what you're buying. You guys can go right to getmytrailer.com. Again, getmytrailer.com. Again, you can view more pictures, information, and purchase units right there, or always give us a call with questions, and we ship. So if you guys don't live near us, it's okay. Give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. We've got great, reasonable shipping rates and allows us to be able to get trailers all over the place. So 303-688-8485, or again, getmytrailer.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.